Project TMA, Microsoft Project Training and Consulting Services Australia-wide. In this brief video, we'll talk about how to customize the Quick Access toolbar to allow us to jump in and out of our project more efficiently than using the ribbon. Before doing this, we always recommend our clients apply grid lines to the background of their Gantt charts. Microsoft Project uses a lot of room on your screen, and when you're using a larger monitor, it's often difficult to find out what Gantt bar corresponds with which task. So the easiest way to deal with this is to put those grid lines on your screen. Point to the white background of your Gantt chart and right-click. From the floating menu, select Grid Lines. The Grid Lines dialog box appears. Leaving Gantt rows selected, press the drop-down next to Type and select Fine Dots. Select OK after that. Having done this, it'll be much easier to identify which task lines up with which Gantt bar. Microsoft Project now comes with the ribbon, which replaces the old menu system that used to exist in version 2007 and before. One of the things we may find is that while the ribbon is well arranged, we often have to jump all over the place to find the icons that we use most commonly. One of the ways we can get around this is to make changes to the Quick Access toolbar located up here at the top left-hand corner of the screen. It's not that difficult to get to all of our zoom tools using the toolbar. We can click on View and we'll find our zoom array here, as well as zooming the entire project there, and select tasks over here. The problem really is the waste of time when we have to click through menus to get to exactly where we want to go. If we use these zoom tools all the time, it makes much more sense to put them up here on the Quick Access toolbar, and that's what we're going to do now. As usual with Microsoft products, there's more than one way to do exactly the same thing, so we'll go with one of the ways you can do it. Up there where the Quick Access toolbar is, press the drop-down arrow, and you'll see the Customize Quick Access toolbar floating menu appear. Select More Commands, and this dialog box appears on the screen. It's actually the Options page. At the top left-hand side, you can see Popular Commands, selected by default. Press the drop-down arrow and select All Commands. This will give you all of the commands that are available to you as icons within Microsoft Project. We suggest you scroll right down to the bottom of the list and double-click on these icons. Zoom in, zoom out, zoom entire project, zoom selected tasks, and lastly, scroll up to the S's and select Scroll to Task. You can see as we double-clicked each one, it was added to the right-hand side of the box. And when we click OK, those icons are now added to the Quick Access toolbar. The advantage for us is that we no longer have to find the right tab, then click on the right zoom buttons from the drop-down lists, but rather we can just go straight to our zoom in, zoom out, zoom the entire project, zoom selected tasks, or jump to one particular task. It's a much more effective way of navigating and will save you a lot of time. Watch out for more of our Microsoft Project training videos, and if you require assistance with Microsoft Project training or consulting Australia-wide, contact us on 1300 366 822 or visit our website projecttma.com.au.